Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that on a 4-hour time frame chart recently, Render has broken out a resistance of a symmetrical triangle. And you can see that after the breakout from this triangle, the price end could not break out this resistance of $8.13 that was previously working as a resistance here. And now again, for the past several hours, it is working as a very strong resistance. And now we cannot ignore these more rejections. And now it is more appropriate to be an ascending triangle rather than a symmetrical triangle. The support is the same, this upcoming uptrend line support. And here we have the horizontal resistance at $8.13. And now we need to break out this resistance in order to continue this rally. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that um, we have a very nice bullish rally by Render token that is not stopping anywhere. By the way, you can see first we broke out this channel, and when it was moving inside this channel, in those days I've been telling you that once it will be able to break out this long-term resistance of the down channel, we can expect a very massive rally. And you can see that from this low, uh, here from this low to this high, so far, it has rallied almost 2,868%, almost 3,000%. We had this rally, and now recently we have also broken out this very huge rising wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for render that I shared 3 days ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared 3 days ago with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that render completed on a 4-hour time frame chart. In fact, it was completing on this 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. This was the complete trade setup, a buying range, and the sell target zone and the stop loss. The buying zone was starting from $7.06, and you can see that the price end drop down up to $7.07. If I play this chart, then you can see it was very close to enter the buying zone, but could not enter the buying zone and pumped before entering the buying zone. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move a few days ago on 15th of Feb 2024. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was more than 70% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of render, and this is the weekly time frame chart. First of all, let me show you the 4-hour time frame chart, and we can see that here it has formed this ascending triangle. Previously, I was showing you this support and resistance, and we broke out this resistance of the triangle, the symmetrical triangle, but could not break out this horizontal resistance of $8.13, and now it has formed this ascending triangle. And now recently you can see it is rejected by the resistance of this triangle. This time the support will be somewhere here at approximately $7.40. And in case of breaking down this ascending triangle, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $6.50. But before that, almost here at $6.60, we have the previous resistance of the rising wedge pattern, this rising wedge pattern that was formed on this 7 days time frame chart. And in case of breaking down, in my opinion, it can test this previous resistance as a support, and then it can gear up. And after breaking out this triangle, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $9.67. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out a quite big and long-term down channel. And after the breakout, the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $1.17 that had been after the breakout working as a very nice and long-term support. And then price line rallied very well from this low to this high. It rallied. By the way, this was more than 2,924% rally. And now, recently, we have broken out this big rising wedge pattern as well. You can see now the price end is moving above the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this channel's breakout, that was between $8 to $10. I've been telling you that target in my so many previous videos, and you can see that the price end has finally almost achieved that target. And now, if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this rising wedge pattern, that is here approximately at $20. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.